Okay, this is a phone, Samsung Fold 3. Come to replace the LCD, the full LCD with the frame. Okay, comes one set like this. Okay, you have to remove everything from this side and transfer this side. The inside screen is not good, but the outside screen is good. So you have to be careful when you remove the outside screen. You have to heat it, okay, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have the heater, if you don't have the heater, don't force to do it so you don't break the outside screen, okay? Unless if your screen is break the outside, you can just open it and take out the engine and the battery and everything and transfer to the new screen with the frame, okay? So if you hit it right on at the edge of the phone, make sure you hit it very nice because the glue is around this side. Okay, make sure you hit this side very nice at the edge of the phone so that the glue become a bit weak so you can manage to open it slowly. Okay, make sure you hit it very nice at the edge. Okay, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you hit it at the edge very nice. If your screen is damaged, the outside screen, no worry, just open it and remove the battery and everything, transfer to the new one. Okay, but if your screen is good, you have to hit it so you don't break the screen because the screen is very easy to damage. Okay, after you hit it like this, just try to put the rubber, just find something a bit soft like this. Okay, don't use metal, don't use anything, just use rubber like this, put inside. Okay, try very nice. Try to open it right now. Okay, just slowly, don't break the screen. Okay, just slowly, just slowly like this. Be careful, the connector is around this area. Try to open it slowly, open it from this side. Okay, the connector is around this side there. Hold the LCD like this. Okay, then you remove this clip here. There's a clip here. Remove this clip, put it one side, disconnect the LCD cable. This slowly, you can use your finger to do it. Okay, take out the LCD, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw from this side first. Okay, remove all this thing, everything here, put it one side. Before you remove the back cover also, you have to hit it small, then you remove the back cover also to remove the other things here. Okay, so you take out all this one here first. Make sure you remove all the screws there. Okay, don't leave any screw. Make sure you disconnect everything. Okay, so you need to remove everything from here and transfer it to this other one. Okay, make sure you take out all the screw, every screw you take out, don't leave any screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, after you take out all the screw, okay, remove this rubber on top, put it one side, disconnect the battery. Okay, remove this one, the same tray. Put it one side. Take out this small board, put it one side. Remove this other clip here, put it one side. Disconnect this connector. Okay, disconnect all this connector here, all this connector disconnected here. Okay, and you raise the motherboard up small. Don't force to do it. Okay, this one is other connector here also, in case you forget something, so you can remove it very easy. So do it slowly. Okay, try to remove this motherboard. Remove this plastic here. Okay, disconnect this network cable from this side. Okay, take out this motherboard, put it one side. Don't worry about the earpiece. The new one come with the earpiece, everything. It's one set. Don't need to take out. Take out this ringer here. Remove it. Yes, clip. Remove with the clip. This. Disconnect this other connector here. Okay. Here's the motherboard up small a bit. Don't force to do it. There is glue under. Okay. You have a connector here. Straight connector. You can see the connector comes to this other mic. So do it slowly. Slowly like this. Remove the network cable. Slowly, okay. This is the mic, so you don't spoil anything, okay. Remove it slowly. Take it out, put it one side. Okay. Now you need to take out the battery. Make sure you use something that is not too sharp, like this. Don't use knife to remove the battery, so you don't spoil the battery, okay. So you make sure you use something that is not too sharp to remove the battery. Now you need to take out the battery slowly. Just try to raise it up small like this until you get the way to remove it. Because the glue is under, so do it slowly. Slowly, okay. You can use spray also if you have the spray to weaken the glue a bit, so you don't get spoiled the battery. Because the glue sometimes is very hard, so you can buy this spray. Okay. Remove the battery like this. Take out the battery, put it one side. Okay. Now you're done with this side. Now you need to hit this eye also to open the back cover. Okay. Now you need to hit the back cover also small a bit so I can weaken the glue. To open the back cover also. So I hit it nice. Okay. Try to open it. Use the same rubber. Just try to put it inside like this. Open it right round. Okay. Open it right round so you can remove the glue. Okay. Take the cover out. Put it one side. Okay. Now here you need to remove all the screw here also. So many screw. Make sure you take out all the screw here. Make sure you take out all the screw. Don't leave any screw here, okay? So you can take out everything. After you remove all the screw here, don't forget this screw on the on and off button is different. So you have to put them separate side, and the motherboard screw too is black color is different. Okay, then you open the sensor, just bend it like this a bit. Okay, try to take out this other screw inside. Okay, just remove the glue on the sensor charger. Okay, and take out the screw inside also. Okay, now you need to disconnect all the connectors and remove the motherboard, remove everything, take out all this one, remove this ringer. Okay, take out all the clip. Okay, remove this ringer down here also, remove the network panel with the one side, disconnect this connector with the one side. Okay, you need to take out everything from here. Okay, disconnect your connector, try to take out this cover on top with the sensor charger with the one side. Okay, disconnect the battery, disconnect all these connectors. This one is for the on and off button. Okay, don't worry, the new one comes with it. The new one comes with the on and off button from here. Okay, so just take out all these other connectors here, remove this one with the one side, disconnect this connector here. Okay, just leave this one because you already disconnect from this side, so you just take out the try to remove the motherboard, disconnect the connector here also. Okay, try to raise the motherboard up small slowly, don't force to do it so you don't spoil anything. Okay, in case you forget something. Okay, just raise it up slowly like this and see if anything you forget. Okay, take out this one screw here. The one side, you see the motherboard screw is different, it's black color. Okay, try to raise the board up slowly like this, raise it up slowly. Okay, remove the motherboard, put it one side. Okay, then remove the charging ports. The screw here is different, white color screw, just take them out, 3 screw. Put it one side, try to remove the board there slowly, don't spoil anything. Take out the charging system board, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove the vibrating. This is the vibrating, make sure you pull choke it from down. Okay, so you can take it out easy, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove the battery also. This phone have 2 battery. Okay, take out this one also, the same way you take out that, and don't use something that is too sharp. Okay, so you don't spoil the battery. Okay, try to pull it first slowly like this. If you have the spray, use the spray, make it more easy for you. Okay, try to pull it like this slowly like this first. Okay, then you use the spray. Okay, spray under here, so you weaken the glue a bit. Just spray it a bit. You can get the spray from the shop. Okay, try to remove the battery slowly, you don't spoil anything up. Okay, just take out the battery. That's why you don't need to use knife or anything that's too sharp so you don't spoil the battery. Okay, take out the battery, put it one side. Okay, now you need to fix everything back on the new screen. Okay, so you start fixing from the back here. Okay, fix first the motherboard. Make sure all the connector is up. Okay, make sure all the connector is up. Very nice. Replace the motherboard screw. It's black. When you see the motherboard screw hole is different with the other screw hole, you see you have a golden shiny thing at the round of the hole. That will show you that that side is supposed to have screw. Motherboard screw, the black one, before you start putting the other screw inside. Okay, fix the one on and off button also. See, it's different, it's not too long, so make sure you fix that one back also. Okay, fix back the vibrating. It has glue under, so don't worry, just put it inside, the rest properly. Okay, fix back the charging system. Just slide it in like this. Make sure it rests properly inside, very nice. Okay, you place back the screw you take out from there. After you place the screw, very nice. Now you fix the battery inside. Make sure you use the on and off button up. Make sure you fix the battery very straight, exactly like you take it. After you fix the battery, then fix all the connector. Make sure you fix them very nice. Okay. Don't force to press it in. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in, very nice. Okay. Fix the on and off. Fix this one here also. Then I fix back the battery. Fix this connector. Make sure all the connector rest properly. Very nice one. Okay. Fix the sensor charger. Make sure the clip rests inside also here. You have a clip here. Very nice. You place back all the screw you take out from the side. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out from this side, okay? Connect back the sensor on top here. Fix it very nice. Make sure all the clip rest before you start putting the screw. All has clip here. Okay, then replace all the screw you take out there also. Make sure you replace all the screw, okay? After you replace all the screw, put the battery clip down here. Make sure you clip it very nice. Make sure you rest properly. Okay. Put back the sensor charger. Make sure you put it straight exactly like this. You have glue. After you fix everything very nice, then you turn it over like this. Fix this other side also. Fix the mic and the sensor first. Okay. Just make sure you rest inside very nice. See all the position way to fix it. Fix this connector. Very nice. Okay. Now you fix back the motherboard. Make sure you clip first the network cable here before you fix the motherboard, okay? Make sure you clip it very nice. If you don't keep it very nice, the network will become very, very weak. Okay. Put it very nice exactly like I take it. Fix the motherboard inside very nice. You see the position of the clip, just pass all the network cable there. Fix back the motherboard. Very nice. Make sure you rest properly. Make sure you fix all the connector. Very nice. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in, okay? Fix back the SIM tray motherboard. This connector very nice. Okay. Fix the battery. Very nice. Make sure you straight the battery very nice like this. Battery have glue here. After you fix the battery very nice, fix back the ringer down here. Okay, fix back this connector. You should get the right push and if you press it in, don't force to press it in, you don't spoil it, okay? Feel very nice. You hear the sound, that means already fixed properly. Okay. Fix back the battery. Replace back the one screw for the SIM tray board. The screw is different. As you can see, the head is big. Okay. If you like, you put back the SIM tray. Okay. Fix back this clip down here. Clip everything very nice. Fix this one, the ringer. This is very nice. Replace all the screw you take out there, okay? So many screw. Make sure you replace all the screw. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out, okay? Don't leave any screw. After you replace all the screw, before you put the LCD, then you put the glue first, right round, at the edge, very nice. So you put it at the edge, very nice, okay? Right round. After I put the glue right round, then the LCD, make sure you connect it very nice. Okay, fix back this clip. Okay, fix back the LCD very straight. Don't worry about the glue. After 30 minutes, the glue become dry. You just clean it with your finger right round, very nice. Okay, make sure it's straight only, very nice like this. Okay, turn it over like this and fix the back one also. Put the glue right round. Just put it right round, very nice. Okay, then put the back cover also, very straight. Okay, now you need to put the rubber on it at least for 30 minutes before you take it outside. Your glue will become dry, okay? But before you do that, on the phone first. As you can see, the phone is on. Samsung logo is show. Okay, open the inside one also and check. As you can see, Samsung logo already show everything is good, everything is nice. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.